Hey, what's going on, crypto family? It's the Crypto Machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, talking about SPLASSIVE today. SPLASSIVE took a big splash, no pun intended, but they're done for right now. I went on over to their Telegram, and the Telegram says, just to keep everyone updated, we're still working on new contracts and relaunch plan. We have to make sure everything is fixed and tested and ready to go before we do. We did manage to comb through all transactions and blacklist all 40 of the hackers' main and sub wallets yesterday as part of this process. Thanks again for everyone's patience during this time. The community is again very strong, and we hope we can all rebuild coming out of this. As of right now, we are shooting for by the end of this week. By the end of the week, we want to make sure we move quickly but carefully doing all of this. So this is as of yesterday. We know communication is key also during this time, and we'll make sure to as much as possible. So that's from the SPLASSIVE team, and looks like previous message was April 5th. Update: liquidity was pulled from Pangolin by our team to get ready for the new contracts and relaunch. Lastly, anyone that notices zeros on the current site, all the stats are still there on the blockchain. We just disconnected the contracts from the website. Everything is fine. With all this being stated, do not deposit, compound, or claim on the current contract. Just wait for further instructions. Thank you again, everyone. So yeah, so don't do anything if you have SPLASSIVE that's still sitting in here. Don't compound, don't claim, don't do anything. Just wait for them to come out with the new contract, I guess, within a week or so. So that's the deal with SPLASSIVE. They were hacked, and they're working on fixing the contract and getting a new platform, new contract, and everything out here within a week's time. So if you like this video, comment, subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell for future upcoming videos. Peace.